inside one of the world's most advanced robot factories. Every movement is controlled by advanced AI. These actuators give robots human-like strength. Some parts are smaller than a coin. Thousands of robots can be built every year. This is where the robot brain is installed. Advanced processors power real-time decision-making. These sensors allow robots to see the world and respond instantly. Every joint is tested for precision. Balance is critical for humanoid movement. Robots must be strong, but also precise. Soon, these machines will work alongside humans.
In warehouses, hospitals, and factories.
The age of humanoid robots has begun. And this is how they are built.
These carbon fiber plates make the robot both strong and lightweight. Inside each arm, dozens of cables transmit power and signals. Every joint must handle thousands of movements per day. This shell protects the robot's most important component, its brain. Advanced AI processors power the robot's intelligence. Before activation, every AI system must be calibrated. These sensors allow robots to detect movement, depth, and objects. The AI learns to track objects in real time. Each finger contains multiple micromotors. This precision allows robots to handle delicate objects.
Now the robot begins to take its full form.
These joints must support the robot's full weight. Perfect balance is essential for human-like movement. Some humanoid robots even receive protective synthetic skin. The AI learns movement patterns through testing. Walking like a human is one of the hardest robotics challenges. Every step is analyzed and improved. These machines can lift far more than humans. One day, robots like these may work beside us. But the journey isn't over yet. Before entering the world, every robot must be trained. The AI begins by learning to recognize objects. Vision systems analyze shapes, colors, and movement. The robot learns how much force to apply. Many humanoid robots are designed for warehouse work. The AI calculates the safest path. Reaction speed is critical. Some robots are built to interact with people. Balance algorithms allow robots to move naturally. Even stairs are part of the training. Advanced balance systems prevent falls. Some humanoid robots can lift hundreds of pounds. Engineers constantly refine the robot's behavior. This precision makes robots ideal for factories. They can even manage logistics tasks. Precision control prevents damage. Robots can also operate digital systems.
After testing, the robots are almost ready. But one final step remains.
Before deployment, robots must navigate real-world environments. Even simple tasks require advanced coordination. Humanoid robots are designed to replace repetitive labor. AI vision systems identify thousands of objects instantly. Precision tasks require incredible motor control.
Robot, identify your status.
Some robots can even respond to spoken commands. 3D sensors allow robots to map their surroundings. Speed and balance are constantly optimized. Advanced balance systems prevent dangerous falls. After testing, robots move to final inspection. Every unit must pass strict quality checks. This is the robot's final movement test. Perfect synchronization proves the systems are ready. The final AI software is installed. Now the robots are powered and ready. From here, robots will travel across the world. Some will work in factories. Others will assist humans in daily life.
The future is being shipped today.
And this is how humanoid robots are built.
Hundreds of robots are ready to enter the world.
For the first time, they open their eyes.
The machines begin to observe their surroundings. The next generation of workers.
Designed to work alongside humans. Some robots may assist in hospitals. Others will power the future of logistics. Precision tasks may soon be automated.
The world outside the factory awaits. A glimpse of the future.
These machines are built with incredible precision.
And their story is just beginning.
New robots are already being built. The production never stops. Because the demand is growing.
Across the world. A new generation is awakening. One by one. The future is coming online. And it starts here.
Behind every robot is a powerful control system. And engineers constantly improve the robot's behavior. Every movement is refined through testing. The AI learns to react instantly. These machines combine strength and intelligence. And incredible precision.
They move almost like humans.
Designed to work alongside us. And while some robots leave the factory,
The new ones are already being built.
machines building machines. The next generation is already forming. Eyes opening across the factory.
A new workforce rising. The production never slows down.
Because the future keeps coming.
Every robot begins the same way.
With machines building machines.
And every robot begins right here.